Hello students, today I am going to discuss exercise 9.3 of class 9. In this question number 1, the question is E is any point on median AD of a triangle ABC so that area of ABE equals to area of ACE. To show the required equality, we have to know one fact that in a triangle, the median always divide the given triangle into two equal triangles of equal area. That means, in this case, triangle ABC has a median AD where E is a point on AD, and we have to show ABE, this triangle, area of this triangle equals to area of this triangle. To show this, what we will write, since AD is the median, area of ABD will be equals to area of ACD, and we can mark this as equation number 1. Now, in triangle, this AD is for triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we can write, in triangle ABC, AD is the median. Since no need now. AD is the median. Therefore, area of ABD equals to area of ACD. In triangle BEC, DE or ED is the median. So, in triangle BEC, ED or DE will divide BEC into two equal triangles, or you can say into two triangles of equal area. Therefore, area BED will be equals to area CED. Now, we can mark it as question number 2. Now, after getting two equations, area of ABD is equals to area of ACD, area of BED equals to area of CED. Now, look at this. Area of ABD, from area of ABD, if we subtract the area of BED, we will left with ABE. Again, from area of ACD, if we subtract CED, area of CED, we will left with AEC. That means we can do here. Now, equation 1 minus equation 2 implies what we will get? We will get area of ABD minus area of BED. BED equals to area of ACD minus area of CED. Area of CED minus area of CED. Okay. After subtraction of area of BED, in this case AB, in ABD we left with ABE. It will be area of ABE equals to area of here ACE. Now this is what to show. Area of ABE equals to area of ACE. So students, this is question number 1. Now we are going to discuss question number 2 in my next video. Thank you for watching.